Hello everyone, welcome to this Gephi tutorial. Here is the web page where you can download the software. Please make sure you follow the installation instructions here. As it mentions here, Gephi needs a Java JRE to work, and if you do not have one, you can download it here, free. And there is another instruction for the Java JRE package installation, which you can refer to. So I have finished all the downloading part, and let's open it. This process may take a few seconds, and I just clicked it open anyway. Welcome to Gephi officially. So this is a welcome page, and we use the new project. And it gives us a workspace 1, which means our project. And if you miss the welcome page, you can also use the file new project here. And after creating a project, we can click open to import our data. Choose your file, open it. This is the import page. Please make sure the column name for your data is source and target, otherwise the import may fail. Click next. And here is the time representations. So we have two options here, and let's keep it to intervals. Click finish. So this is the import report. This is the graph type, which means like you want a directed network, an undirected network, or mixed. Let's keep it to directed. Let's keep it to the new workspace choice here. And however, if you need two files on the same project, and you need to choose the appended to existing workspace for your second file. Let's see what happens when we choose this one. Okay, so as you notice, earlier we used the new project to create a new workspace 1. And while we import the data, we choose a new workspace, and it leads to us another workspace. So please remember, if you need two files for the same project, you need to choose the appended to existing workspace. And so in the data laboratory, we can take a look at how our data looks like. And here is the node list. And here is the edges. Source, target, type is the choice you made earlier. And that's the ID, which is basically an ID. And also label interval is empty. And here is the weight. Weight basically means the frequency of that edge in your dataset. Let's go to overview now. So you have your network already, but we want to make it more meaningful and beautiful. So here are some options here. That's the nodes and edges. For nodes, we can change their color, their size, label color, and label size. Let's try node colors. Just apply it. And basically when you change it, it defaults changes the edges as well. And partition, we choose an attribute. And ranking, we also choose an attribute. So here is the degree. And let's take a look at the node size. So basically, we want that the node who connects more with other nodes to be bigger. So we can use the ranking and degree, minimum size, maximum size. Apply. Yeah, it makes more sense now, right? As you can see, the bigger nose represents more connection with other nodes, and the smaller ones, less connections. And let's take a look at the edges. We also want to differentiate the edges for different weights, which means if two nodes connect more, it should be wider. And let's take a look. Ranking, weight. Come on. Yeah. Partition. Ranking, weight. Come on, come on, come on. And so it gives you some other options, like the different color shades of the weight. Let's use the default one. Apply. So now take a look. The width of an edge represents the frequency of the connections between any two nodes, and hence we know that these two nodes connect more than these two nodes. Yeah, and you may notice there are errors here because we choose the directed net graph earlier. And let's take a look. Okay, choose a layout. Let's take a look at this one. So basically, layouts changes the way how the network looks. See? And at some point, if you want a network that you desired, you just click the stop. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, so probably not this one. So you may try this later. And let's keep it this one.